My name is Gurshan. I'm a student at the University of Melbourne doing a Bachelor of Science degree, majoring in computing and software systems. I also work as an intern with the collaboration apps team at the university. As a computer science student, the common advice at the start of my degree was don't use AI. But as I progressed through the years and my studies became more complex, I realized that I need to use it to complement my studies and understand different topics on a deeper level. What I do when I'm studying for quizzes is, even when I'm asking you to give me answers for the quizzes, I never ask you to give me a direct answer. I'd always ask you to explain the logic behind things. Copilot is a lifesaver at my internship. I've got meetings back to back. The fact that it summarizes and you've got all your transcriptions in place, it's really amazing. My strongest use case is study and learn, especially when you've got 8 weeks of lectures to catch up on. Just put all your lecture slides, notes, transcriptions, everything there, and watch it summarize, create notes, make flashcards, and that's a very good use case. One of my favorite prompts is asking it to explain any concepts as if I were a 12-year-old, because then it actually helps me understand that concept better. Think of Copilot as an extra tutor. Think of it as a non-judgmental tutor. You can ask questions any time of the day. It's available 24/7, and it would just make your life easy.